Hey guys, today I will show you how to create a slider. It is a trick of using bookmarks in a very interesting way to produce a result that looks like this. So let's get started. As you guys can see, we already have two visualization, that is units sold by segments and units sold by product. So we're going to create a slider which either can show us segments or a product. So to start with, we first need to create a shape. Let's select this one, make its size a little bit smaller. So how about I place it like anywhere right now, and we will change its place later on. So select the properties, 25 is good. Width, we might need to decrease it. I mean, I think it's too much, but I think height 25 is good. Next, we need to create a button, or maybe a shape only, like we can create an oval shape. That's good. So we need it to be a little bit smaller than the first shape, so I'm gonna maybe say 20, and we wanted to keep it circle, so 20 again. Let it place it like right here, so maybe 312. Nope, 20. That's a little bit excessive. 512. Okay, vertically maybe 40. Well, let's change the color so it's more like clear to us which one we're moving. I think the ball with blue is right. Let's just change the back color. I'm gonna change that to maybe yellow. Okay, that looks good. So let's just move the ball a little bit. Yeah. Okay, that's gonna be a first ball. So we need another one just similar to that. So that is good. I'm just gonna place it at the right place now. 40 horizontal, maybe add like 30. Okay, 40 to it. Yep. Okay, now we have two like identical balls. I don't think they're properly like circled, so yep. Let's see, it's down on. Okay, now it looks much better. So what I want to do is I want to like click on the first one, and at that point it shifts to the right and show me the second graph. So for that, first let's change its color. I'm gonna put it pink. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to view, go to selection, hide this one for now. I'm gonna hide this graph as well, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the bookmark, create a new bookmark, say just segment. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring back those shapes and the visualization. Now I'm gonna hide this one and this graph and add another bookmark called product. So what we want is when someone clicks here, this should show them, like it should shift to the blue and show them the segment. So I'm going to select the bookmark segment. So when I click on this, it moves to the left and shows us the segment table. And again, I'm going to change this action to show us the product side. So it shows us the product side. That's how you can create a slider. What I also usually like is to place them one on the other. So what you can do is you can like copy this, place it right here, move its header to the left, so again that seems good. So what we want is we want it to show it like right here, and place this one just on top of it. change its title to the right side. They're not going to align properly right now, but I'm going to try anyways. So let's just see what happens if I click here. Oh, that worked. So if it's on the left, it's units sold by segment. If I click it, it changes to units sold by product. So that's how you can save like page area by putting two visualization on the one, or just use the slider as a filter for something. I think that can be really useful as well. I hope this video was really helpful to you guys, and please check out again for more tricks. Thanks guys.